Welcome everyone to a new multi-part travel series. We are about to embark on a journey from Cleveland, Ohio to the famous Black Hills of South Dakota, encompassing over 5 million acres of unique landscapes to discover. Historically, this territory was quite the destination to be during the gold rush period, as many minerals and artifacts have been discovered here. Our final destination resides in Rapid City, which sits on the cusp of the vast Great Plains. We traveled here during early to mid-June, which is the time I would recommend if you want to experience the full bloom of this portion of South Dakota. This unique metropolis is located just 25 miles from Custer State Park, which is home to many iconic sites. This region is rich with history, parks to explore, several pristine lakes, scenic byways, and more. Throughout the series, we will visit several monumental locations including Mount Rushmore, Sylvan Lake, Badlands National Park, Jewel Cave National Monument, Devil's Tower, America's first national monument, and Spearfish Canyon, to name a few. Once my father and I arrived in Rapid City, we decided to trek into the dense wilderness to our very first location. It was beautiful to finally observe this landscape with my own eyes as we traveled upon the windy roads of the Black Hills. We took State Highway 44 from Rapid City 15 miles west. We then traveled south on 385. It was then 2 miles until we reached the lake. Our first destination for this adventure takes us 18 miles west of Rapid City to Pactola Lake, which is the largest reservoir within the Black Hills. This reservoir offers a variety of recreational activities and was first created in the early 1950s when the Pactola Dam was fully developed. This 785-acre unique mountain lake is vast, tranquil, and provides numerous fishing opportunities. A variety of trout are caught in the Rapid Creek throughout the year within these waters. Currently, there is no fee to visit the Black Hills National Forest itself, although certain day-use recreation sites may charge a $5 to $7 fee for each vehicle from Memorial Day through Labor Day. Facilities include a full-service marina with seasonal, monthly, and daily slips, gas, oil, groceries, food service, shower, and laundry. Forest facilities also include an 88-unit campground, picnic areas, 2 boat launches, a paved walking trail, daily use trails, and portions of both the highly popular Centennial and Deerfield hiking trails. Fly fishing below the spillway is exceptional. A National Forest Visitor Center is on the south side of the dam and is also open seasonally and provides visitors with information about the building of the dam and forest management. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful views of the lake. Welcome everyone to Lake Pactola here at the Black Hills National Forest in South Dakota. Sit back and relax and enjoy today's beautiful adventure. Alrighty everyone, so we are back for another hiking adventure out in South Dakota this time. We're going to be visiting several sites along the Black Hills National Forest. So right now we're at Lake Pactola, as you can see at the visitor center. We're going to go do a quick walk around as well as a hiking trail here. Very beautiful day. So out of all the lakes here within the Black Hills and Custer, this one is actually the largest, I believe. Alright guys, and as you can see, we're right over here at Pactola Reservoir. We will be exploring all of these locations within this vacation. Alright, this is the inside of the visitor center here at Pactola Reservoir. Really nice. As you can see, some of these pictures over here showcase the history of this region.
Custer State Park today just to show off some pelts and some skulls here. We do have a gray wolf pelt right here. Not really in the Black Hills anymore. However, they were hundreds of years ago. We do have them in Yellowstone now. We have a coyote pelt and skull right here as well. Mountain lion, aka a cougar, as well. Right here, we have quite a few of those in the Black Hills. You rarely see them, but we have anywhere between 20 and 40 of them in Custer State Park alone. We have a bobcat right here, and here's the skull right here. And then we have a close relative, the Canadian lynx, or the Canada lynx right here. You'll see these more in the Yellowstone area, not so much here. I also have a bighorn sheep skull, and then one of the ram's horns as well. And then I did bring out a black bear skull today, because we did have a black bear sighting in the Black Hills, despite the fact we don't really have them around here usually anymore. And then we have a bison winter pelt right here as well, which is very cool.
What was your name, sir?
My name's Alex.
Alex, thank you for all the help.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so we found this little footpath here down to Pactola Lake, and this is just pristine. Look at this. It was a little hard to get here too, but we did finally make it. After a relaxing afternoon at this location, it was time to pack up and see what else South Dakota's Black Hills has to offer. As always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more adventures from South Dakota coming soon.